is really Christmas. That's right. Yeah. Oh.
Look at the cookies. Sebastian, look at the cookies.
And the milk, Sebastian. Are the cookies and the milk gone? What happened to the cookies and the milk?
Santa doesn't eat a lot.
A lot of houses.
Well, he didn't all of them now. And with that, how he gets outside? So,
Maybe through the door.
but how he gets out the, how he can slide down the chimney and he can't get out, so it's a problem he gets out the door. No.
Should we see what's in your stocking?
What's in here?
Okay.